Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video, and most of the people have been asking where did the automated bots go. So the automated bots are still working now. They are back. They are working each and every website. You can get to the derivtradingoptions.com, and you will get these binary trading options. So you remember, you'll just click here. If you don't have an account, just open a free account. As you can see there, if you have an account, just click connect, and then you get to fetch your data into the system. So you can always check these bots, these are websites for the automations. You can see there, and you can use all of them. The Alpha Pro, we have the quantum digit, Nova Scan, rise and fall over under higher lower. Use every bot that works for you, so you can always try each and every point, and just try all these to make something. For those people who like automations, you can use these. So today I have a demo account of 562, and remember, it's not only the derivtradingoptions.com you can use. So you can also track also the one day trading. Can you remember the one day trading.com? Daytrading.com. So you'll just log in here. Remember the one day trading, as we have said, if you don't have an account, remember to scroll down and then create a Deriv account for you to access the website. It's free of charge. Connect everything here if you want to get more concepts. So just click the connect your Deriv via the auth if you have an account. So I just want to talk about one strategy which is very simple. Remember, when you connect it, you need to mark all the four green ticks and you are all to go. So there we have our demo account. Then here we have many bots. You can see them here. You can always test the each and every bot at your end on free time, because I believe most of the people were asking this because most of them are automated bots. And we have the pulse wave. You can always use these things to execute your trades. Just use them, take your time, and go through each and every bot. The duo fire here, we have so many awesome bots. The strike x, and most of them are automated bots. So you just click auto trade. Let me just show you one which you I think you did not leave. We have the batch fire. The batch fire, when you click it here, you can just change the market from this end, and then when you scroll down, we have the stake where you can use. Let's say like now I have 562, so I can decide to use the 562. How much is it? 562. So I can decide to use the 562. Let's do 562 point 562, or let's do a bit lower, like we do how much we can do 200. Let's do 200. Let me just show you. If remember, it's just for illustration, so use an account like 1005, whatever you want to start with. Remember, this is batch trading. So what you can do, you can get to see this is 2, because we are going to go with the number of bars 3. So if it is 3, we can do 500 divided by 3, can do 150, 150, 150 for 350. So if it is 200, we needed, okay, so we can do 150. That will be 450. So if we do that, so this one will take 450 as the batch trade. So from here, how do you do the analysis? Number one, you can see this is fetching the number of ticks for the past 1,000 ticks, and I've educated you about that. And the percentages you are seeing here, it means that digit 0 has appeared for 86 times, so digit 1 has appeared for 120 times, 88 for digit 2, digit 8 there at 112. So this is how you analyze. If these all appear and then 2 appear that way, or these 2 of them, can you see something which has appeared, the O at green, then you wait for 2 of them, the under. Are we together? Two an O has appeared, and then you wait for 2 under digits to appear. Are we together? If they appear, it appears only 2 of them. Maybe you see an O, then you see another O, don't enter that trade. Only one trade, only one O is qualified to execute that trade under using the bulk. And you can see there we have one under 8, under 8, under 8, under 8, 24, 24, 24, 84 USD there pocketed. So if we decide to do another scenario here, we can do 200, we can do 200 USD. Let's try doing 200 USD stake, then I show you, because I believe now we have added, we are at close to 600, it can accept. So you just wait. Can you see where we have the current tick? So we are observing these U, and then you can see equals U, and then we wait that one O. Then can you see what has happened? We have gone to equals U. So you avoid that. So we are going to wait for another O, and then that zero means when digit 9 especially has been touched, and that way 0 O, then two of them leave around that trading. Are we together? So you just avoid that. So again you wait for another O0, which is or an O, which I'm calling it an O, a green O, and then you can do bulk trading. So this is for easier for the people who normally trade risking. If you don't have, you can just use normal stakes, and then do what, try to execute trades using the AI automated bots. And I've shown you two websites you can use, the onedaytrading.com and the Deriv tradingoptions.com. Those are bots you can use for your free time. A no has appeared, then one, and then a no two. That way you click under. Have you seen how simple it is? And you are out of that market. Can you see we are at 197? Pocketed all that. So I wish I was using a lead account, but because of illustrations, let me just show you with that. So you can see again here we had a no which has appeared. You could have entered that trade. A no has appeared that way, then you wait for another under that way, you click under. Are we together? And you will always make something at 308 9 USD. Again, see, okay, a no, then you wait for under, and that is it. Bye bye. So 12 on, and that is how someone could have scooped his 422 USD using that simple trading concept. If you use it and make something, all the best. That simple concept, that way only, that way you exit your trades. If you don't make something out of that, hey, I don't know. You can see we have made it to 1,000 USD using just 500. I'll be showing you more about these, how you can be doing them, and that is it. You can see the net profit is at 534. Bots are there. You can always use whatever you want to make something out of these. Let's meet in the next video. Continue subscribing, sharing, and always asking questions. And those who have asked, keep pushing. So you can use the onedaytrading.com or the derivtradingoptions.com. Bye bye.